Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your TikTok account for over 18s only. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up TikTok, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, go to Settings and Privacy, then scroll down until you see Audience Controls. So you just want to tap on that. Then you'll see age 18 and older. So this will just mean limit your profile, future videos and live streams to those aged 18 and older. You won't be able to change this for individual content. So if you're happy with that, just toggle that on, and that's how you can make your TikTok account for over 18s. Thanks for watching.